Hello and welcome to our new three-phase motor data calculating tool. As you can see, we are setting up for 208 volt, 230 volt, or 460 volt in our calculator. In this slide, I am showing the 208 volt horsepower selection. In this slide, I am showing the 230 volt horsepower selection. And in this slide, I'm showing the 460 volt selection. All sections work identically the same way. Just select your horsepower from the appropriate voltage selection and check on the horsepower. You will be taken to information based on your selection. You will have access to the motor load, circuit breaker ratings, time delay fuse ratings, wire size, and conduit sizes. In addition, you can click on the blue link at the top of the information tab and be taken to the page where you will find more information on your particular motor. Feel free to click on any of the blue hyperlinks for more specific information. If you find this information useful, please subscribe and leave your comments. Thank you for viewing and have a great year.